Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the inside question answers from chapter 15 Light, class 7 Physics, West Bengal Board. Let's start. Number 1. Define light. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see things in our surroundings. Number 2. What are luminous and non-luminous objects? Give examples. Objects such as a sun or a bulb which emit their own light are called luminous objects, while those which do not are called non-luminous objects such as moon or a book. Number 3. Define rectilinear propagation of light. Light always travels in a straight line. This property of light to travel in a straight line is known as a rectilinear propagation of light. Number 4. What do you understand by reflection of light? The phenomena of bouncing back of the light rays from the surface of an object is known as reflection of light. Number 5. Define incident ray. Incident ray is a ray of light which strikes the reflecting surface. Number 6. Define reflected ray. Reflected ray is a light ray that bounces back from the reflecting surface after reflection. Number 7. Define point of incidence. The point where an incident ray strikes the reflecting surface is called point of incidence. Number 8. Define normal. An imaginary line perpendicular to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence is called normal. Number 9. Define angle of incidence. Angle between the normal and the incident ray is called angle of incidence. Number 10. Define angle of reflection. Angle between the normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Number 11. State the laws of reflection. According to the laws of reflection, number 1. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal to the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Number 2. The angle of incidence, angle I, is always equal to the angle of reflection, angle R. Number 12. What are the two types reflection? There are two types of reflection. Number 1. Specular or regular reflection. Number 2. Diffused or irregular reflection. Number 13. Describes specular reflection. This type of reflection takes place when a parallel beam of light falls on a smooth surface and bounces back in one direction. All reflected rays are parallel to each other. In this case, a clear image of an object is formed. Number 14. Describe diffused reflection. This type of reflection takes place when a parallel beam of light falls on a rough surface and bounces back in different directions such that the reflected rays are not parallel to each other. In this case, a clear image of an object is not formed. Number 15. What is the speed of light? Light travels with a speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 m/s in the air. Number 16. What are the two types of mirrors? There are two kinds of mirrors, plane mirrors and curved mirrors. Number 17. What are the two types of images? Images are of two types in nature, real images and virtual images. Number 18. What is a real image? Real images are formed due to the actual meeting of reflected rays of light at a point. Such images can be obtained on a screen. For example, in cinema halls, the images are formed on the screen. Number 19. Describe the nature of a real image. Real images are always inverted in nature. They are always formed on the same side of the mirror where the object is placed. Number 20. What is a virtual image? Virtual images are formed when reflected rays of light just appear to meet at a point behind the mirror but do not actually meet. Number 21. Describe the nature of virtual image. Virtual images are always erect in nature and are formed behind the mirror. 22. Describe the nature of the image formed by a plane mirrors. The image formed by a plane mirror is always virtual, erect, and of the same size as the object. Number 23. Define lateral inversion. The property of images formed by plane mirrors in which the right side of an object appears on the side in the image and the left side appears on the right side in the image is known as lateral inversion. 24. Who manufactured fiber optics? In 1953, the Indian physicist Narendra Singh Kapani manufactured a glassware capable of transporting light, which called fiber optics. Number 25. What are curved or spherical mirrors? Mirrors that have curved reflecting surfaces are known as curved or spherical mirrors. 26. Mention some places where curved mirrors are used. Shaving mirrors, rear view mirrors of cars, mirrors in automobile headlights, and mirrors in solar cookers are a few examples where curved mirrors are used. 27. What are the two types of curved mirrors? Curved mirrors are of two types: convex mirrors, concave mirrors. Okay, this one is part 1. I will give you the rest of the question answers in part 2 of this chapter. See you soon with that video. Till then, take care and bye.